On today's menu, a recipe that's so delicious and so easy, it's nuts. Crunchy peanut slaw. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is incredibly delicious, really easy to make, and really addictive. You're definitely going to want to make this every week. "250 grams of nappa cabbage, finely chopped. Transfer the cabbage to a very large mixing bowl. 200 grams of red cabbage, finely chopped. These are beautiful purple heirloom carrots, and of course you don't have to use these ones, you can just use regular carrots. They don't really taste that different, but these are absolutely beautiful. Chop about 100 grams of carrots into thin matchsticks. Chop one Fuji or Gala apple into fine matchsticks. With a little patience and a little bit of practice, you can yield so much more if you slice the apple really, really thin. I mean, this is just one apple. That is incredible. 2 sticks green onion, finely chopped. Squeeze out the water of about 120 grams of jackfruit. Flake the jackfruit into the slaw. "20 grams fresh mint. Half a cup edamame. That's basically the slaw. We're just going to make a simple but delicious dressing to go along with that, and you're good to go. Now, this recipe is actually the first recipe in the new cookbook, simply titled Cook with Confidence. And this book has most of your favorite recipes from the cooking show here on YouTube. To find out more information, get your signed copy, or to take a sneak peek of inside the book, you can check out the link in the description box below. Let's make that incredible dressing. Blender. 1/3 cup peanut butter. Small piece ginger. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon cane sugar. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Half a cup coconut milk. 1 teaspoon chili powder. splash of lime juice. Blend on high until completely smooth. Pour the amazing dressing onto the slaw and toss. Plate. That already looks and smells just amazing, but there's one more thing we can do that will next level this. Frying pan. Medium heat. Half cup peanuts. Toast the peanuts for 3 to 4 minutes. Top the slaw with some toasted peanuts. You can now serve this flavor-packed slaw with absolute confidence. This is one insane slaw. Man, I just love when you take a whole bunch of just simple, humble ingredients and you turn it into a plate, like a party I definitely want to attend. You just get this incredibly delicious harmony of flavors. You have the kind of toastiness and the crunchiness of the toasted peanuts, and because we toasted it in the pan, it has that delicious smoky aroma. And the nappa cabbage, the red cabbage, makes the base of this slaw and adds into that incredible crunchiness. The carrots also add into that crunchy kind of sweetness as well. And of course you have the delicious kind of juicy, cold, crisp, sweet apple that just really livens up this slaw. The jackfruit adds into that kind of meatiness and also just looks really incredible. And you have these amazing, beautiful colors. The edamame also adds into that crunchiness. The fresh mint just adds that extra kick of aromatic kind of flavor, just really freshens up this entire slaw. You have that delicious peanut butter flavor that complements the crunchy toasted peanuts that we placed on top of the salad. So easy to make and of course packed with flavor, and I guarantee it will be very, very addictive. You'll have to make it again and again. Once you make the slaw, there is definitely no going back. I promise you that. I mean, imagine putting this as a topping on your next burger. That is really amazing. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like this, then you'll definitely want to check out that vegan ramen cookbook or the brand new Cook with Confidence cookbook. This recipe is the first recipe in this book, and of course you can take a sneak peek of both books in the link in the description box below or get your signed copy. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.